Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Services is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, round donuts, samosa, spring rolls and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. Now contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we will be making chicken wings fried rice. Our ingredients for today's recipe include chicken wings, ginger, garlic and onion paste, 3.5 cups of vegetable oil, green bell pepper, spring onions, 1 small cabbage, carrots, 1 small bottle of soy sauce, 1 large red onion, 3.5 cups of rice and 2 tablespoons of salt. Let's begin. Put the chicken wings in a bowl and add some water to it. Then wash the chicken wings and put it in a saucepan. Add some water and the ginger, garlic and onion paste. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt and bring it to a boil for about 15 minutes. After the chicken wings is cooked, remove it from the stock and set it aside. Then pour 3 cups of oil into a frying pan and add in the chicken wings to fry until it's a bit golden brown. This is the stock from cooking the chicken wings. Now add in the soy sauce and stir the soy sauce together with the stock. Add in the rest of the salt and let it boil for 10 minutes. Now add in the rice and stir it and let it cook for 20 minutes. Stir the halfway cooked rice and cover it up with a napkin for 8 minutes. The rice is perfectly cooked. This means we can transfer it into a bowl, so fluff it up and pour it into a bowl. The bowl should be something you can gently use a ladle to move the rice towards its edges so as to cool it completely. Set the cooked rice aside to cool off the steam and prep the vegetables. Peel and cut the cabbage, green bell pepper and spring onions. Then grate the carrots. Now pour all the chopped vegetables in one bowl. Sprinkle half tablespoon of salt on the veggies and add some water to it. Strain the water from the veggies with a colander. Let's make the fried rice. Pour half cup of oil into a bigger frying pan. Chop some red onions and put it in the simmering oil. Now add in the vegetables and stir it together with the simmering oil and onions. Add in the cooled down rice. With the aid of 2 wooden ladles, stir the rice and veggies together until every bit of it is evenly combined. Chop 1 red onion and add it to it. Then stir the rice and the veggies together once again. Let's make the chicken wing sauce. Go check out my green sauce recipe on my channel so that you get more info on how the green sauce was made. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. After making the green sauce according to the recipe in the link description below, add in the fried chicken wings and stir it together with the sauce until the sauce coats the chicken wings evenly. Let's serve the fried rice. Scoop some of the fried rice onto a plate and add the chicken wing sauce side by side with the rice on the plate. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this every Thursday and Sunday. And guys, please keep in touch by turning on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Share this video with your friends and family. so that you all can make amazing recipes like this every time. Till we meet again, guys. Bye bye.